Alright, I'm going to be picking the American Lock 1100 series. Here's the key bitting if you're interested. That it does work. Alright. I'm going to be using top of the keyway tension with the 50 thousandths ergo turner from Covert Instruments. And a medium hook, 25 thousandths, also from Covert Instruments. I think a click on pin 1. Pin 3 is binding. Click on 3. Small click on 4. Think small click on 5. Back down. One is binding. Okay. And there it is. Alright, now to gut into cymbal. Sometimes I have trouble getting the screw out. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and get the C-clamp off using the Sparrow's gut wrench. Saw a video, I can't remember who, but they said to kind of push upwards, and that has helped me a bunch. I'm having so much trouble. There we go. Turn it sideways so the Bible isn't in the way. There it is. Took a little longer than usual, but we got it. Alrighty. Insert the key. Turn it 90 degrees. Other way. So the driver pins fall along this channel. I got my plug follower from Sparrow's. Alright, I'm going to zoom in and then start dropping the key pins first. Give me 1 second. Got to readjust the camera. Alrighty. my pinning tweezers. Key pin number 1. Let me try it this way. Always had trouble with this. Key pin number 2. Three, 4, and 5. Alrighty, now for the driver pins. Five, 4, 3, 2, having trouble getting that one. And 1. You can see I have 4 serrated driver pins, 1 spool, 4 serrated key pins, and 1 stand. Alright, my phone ran out of storage space, so let me continue right where I left off. I hope that's alright. Going to start by putting in the springs. Come here. 3, I'm going to flip it around to get 4 and 5. Alrighty. Now let me go ahead and start getting these driver pins back in. Actually, I'm going to start with 1. Oh, come here. Get the spool pin back in here. Right in 2. Flip it around to get 3, 4, and 5. There's 3. 4. 5. Go ahead and put the follower back in. Get a better grip on this. There we go. Push down all the pins. There it is. Alright. and get this. I'm going to switch out my tweezers. I'm having trouble with these ones. Go with the Covert Instruments reverse. One. Two. Three. Four. And five. Now it's time to reinsert. Again, nope, that was out of view. Again, I like to put this side on top towards the driver pins so it goes in a little more smoothly. Just like so. I'm going to zoom out barely. Get the C-clip back on. Put it on from this side because I was having trouble earlier getting it off. I think because the Bible was in the way. I'm going to put the key in to see if it works. And it does. Back in. Bam. Bam. I'm going to zoom out one more time. Flip it over. Drop the set screw in there. Actually, I have no clue what the screw is called. I'm going to call it a set screw though. And tighten it back up. There we go. One sec, I think I might be cross-threaded. There it is. Snug it. And there it is. Picking and gutting of the American Lock 1100 series. Here's the key. And there it is.